Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix Messenger unable to load camera roll. Now this will be a very simple and direct procedure. The only issue why Messenger is unable to load camera roll is because you might be using an outdated version of Messenger, or you might be having a VPN connected in your phone. So step number one, first go ahead and search for all the VPNs. Now for my case I have Thunder VPN. Tap on it. You can see guys it's connected. Go ahead and disconnect it. So now disconnecting it, come to Google Play Store. Now once you come to Google Play Store, the next step is quite simple. Just go ahead and search Messenger and make sure you're running on the latest version. Now quickly search for Messenger. You can see guys I'm using the older version. Now this also doesn't allow the camera roll to load. Now go ahead and update this Messenger, and after that go ahead and load the camera roll. Simple as it is. Thanks for watching guys. Subscribe to our channel.